Florida voters have a decision to make this year whether or not to make recreational marijuana legal. Our Zach Wilcox joins us live now from downtown Jacksonville. And Zach, you spoke with an attorney and asked some questions about Amendment 3 on the ballot.
Yeah, Riley, this made some local headlines last week when we found out that Mayor Donna Deegan endorsed in favor of the Amendment 3, and TK Waters, the sheriff, endorsed against the idea. So I took a couple of things that we've been talking about in our newsroom over the past week since that happened to a local attorney so that he could get some information for voters so they can take that in with them when they go to make up their minds on this issue in November. I asked Jacksonville attorney Andrew Bonderud two questions about Amendment 3. Number one, would the amendment wipe past convictions for marijuana possession off criminal records?
It does not explicitly state whether it has retroactive applicability or not. If you ask 10 attorneys this question, you're going to get 10 different answers.
Under current Florida law, it's a misdemeanor to have up to 3/4 of an ounce of marijuana and a felony for any more than that. If Amendment 3 passes, it would legalize up to 3 ounces under state law.
Even if it is not a slam dunk argument for someone to make, they will make it anyway. Courts confront these questions all the time.
And number two, would possessing marijuana still be against federal law if Amendment 3 passes?
Constitutional amendment says we're going to immunize you for that type of possession, whereas federal law might say, well, we have something, we have a different view of that.
Bonderud says only some local law enforcement officers have the authority to enforce federal law, like, say, a JSO officer in a DEA task force, for example. However, until Congress changes federal law, possessing marijuana would still be against the law even if Amendment 3 passes, creating a situation where an individual could be following state law while breaking federal law at the same time.
Lawyers will be able to make a living off of interpreting this amendment and fighting the battles in courts.
All right, so Amendment 3 is going to be on the ballot for Florida voters in November. You'll vote yes if you are in favor of recreational marijuana, vote no if you're against it. And if it does pass, it will take 6 months for it to take effect, so we're looking at May of 2025. In downtown, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, on your side.